Welcome back to our tour of a stunning shipping container home featuring 2 bedrooms and offering breathtaking views of nature. This modern dwelling perfectly combines innovative design, functionality, and sustainability, all while providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. As you approach the house, you will immediately notice its contemporary exterior. Constructed from repurposed shipping containers, the home's design is both eco-friendly and visually striking. The sleek, industrial look of the containers is softened by large windows and natural materials, allowing the structure to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Stepping inside, you are greeted by an open-concept living area that feels spacious and inviting. The minimalist interior design emphasizes clean lines and a neutral color palette, creating a calm and soothing atmosphere. The extensive use of glass not only fills the space with natural light but also frames the stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The living room serves as the heart of the home, offering comfortable seating and modern decor. Large windows on multiple walls bring the outside in, making it feel as though you are always connected to nature. This space is perfect for relaxing with a book, enjoying a cup of coffee, or entertaining friends and family. Adjacent to the living room is the kitchen, a model of modern efficiency and style. The kitchen features sleek countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and ample storage. The open layout ensures that cooking and dining are social activities, with plenty of room for everyone to gather and enjoy meals together. A dining table positioned near a large window allows you to enjoy the beautiful views while you eat. The home includes 2 well-appointed bedrooms, each designed to maximize comfort and privacy. The master bedroom is a tranquil retreat with a plush bed, stylish furnishings, and large windows that offer panoramic views of the surrounding nature. The second bedroom, equally charming, provides a cozy space for guests or family members, with thoughtful touches and plenty of natural light. A modern bathroom serves both bedrooms, featuring contemporary fixtures and a clean, minimalist design. The bathroom includes a spacious shower, a sleek vanity, and ample storage, ensuring that you have all the conveniences you need. One of the standout features of this shipping container home is its outdoor living space. A large deck extends from the main living area, providing the perfect spot for outdoor dining, lounging, or simply soaking in the natural beauty. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning or hosting an evening gathering, this outdoor space is sure to become one of your favorite places to relax. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, this shipping container home is also a model of sustainability. By repurposing shipping containers, the home reduces waste and makes use of existing materials. Energy-efficient systems and eco-friendly practices are integrated throughout the design, minimizing the home's environmental impact while maximizing comfort and convenience. Our tour of this modern shipping container home with 2 bedrooms showcases the perfect blend of innovative design, functionality, and sustainability. With its beautiful views of nature, spacious interior, and thoughtful details, this home offers a unique and inspiring living experience. Join us as we explore the beauty and creativity of container living, and discover how this modern house can provide a serene and stylish retreat. Welcome to your new home.